Let me play devil's advocate. The Lokpal will supervise the CBI. Am I correct? On the investigations referred to by it?
No.
No. 1 minute. You are arguing Lokpal has no investigation wing of its own and hence it's a toothless body.
Lokpal.
I ask you, the Lokpal will be supervised will supervise the CBI on all the cases referred to it. So where is the question of government control? Prove that to me.
Yes, but
Prove that to me.
But it will supervise, but with no investigation powers. With no body of investigation. I mean, how will Lokpal even with the concurrence of Lokpal?
Do you have doubt on those who will be the Lokpal?
How will it happen?
What is the instrument? What is the government? And the Lokpal will have an eye on that.
So here's the situation. Keshav Rao
will report back to the government.
So Keshav Rao, look at this. Lokpal will have...
They will report back to the government.
Keshav Rao, 1 minute. Keshav Rao, your government promised a independent Lokpal. Now the Lokpal has no investigation wing. A. Okay? No investigation wing and hence it's probably a toothless body. B, 1 minute. If an officer creates some trouble for a politician, irrespective of the CBI reporting to the Lokpal on investigations, the officer can be shunted out. Tell me, if honest officers are always worried of being thrown out if they offend politicians, how will investigations be independent in our country? Mr. Rao?
Okay, we must first understand the administrative setup. You were talking about the head, that is the director. Now we have a collegium to discuss. We are trying to see the best man comes in, the most honest man comes in. No. Now he has a wing known as the investigative.
No, why did the 1 minute? Why did the government disagree? Why did the government disagree with the views of the select committee that the power to transfer CBI officials should rest with the Lokpal and not the investigating agency? Tell me, answer me narrowly on that.
Select.
Why? Why did the government disagree with the select committee's view that the power to transfer CBI officers should rest with the Lokpal, not with the investigating agency? Why did the government not agree to stop all post-retirement allurement postings for a CBI director?
Very easy questions for Mr. Prakash.
Why? Yeah, please, I'm waiting.
Who is to answer me?
You, sir. The question is to you. Mr. Rao, the question is to you, sir.
Yeah, then you want to roll. No, LM is all right. You said it. You want to roll the three positions into one. You want the complainant, the investigator, prosecutor, and the arbitrator to one, educator to one. The Lokpal can take suo moto. He will have the investigative authority. He will have a prosecuting director. He will be the educator.
The hoodwinking of Indian public continues.
You are trying to talk to me.
Stop hoodwinking the Indian public. Nobody.
Let Lekhi talk about it.
That was being said. I'm sorry to say this is
Does she agree?
Not true. Because the investigation would have been done by Lokpal. I'm sorry, but you're misleading the people.
Unfortunately, Lekhi is a lawyer and we know something law.
1 minute.
Can I ask
what is your challenge? 1 second. I have a few minutes left. Mr. Keshav Rao, what is your challenge?
People all the time, Mr. Keshav Rao.
What is your challenge to Meenakshi Lekhi? What are you? You mentioned her twice. What do you want her to answer?
No. Lekhi would be able to tell us that if you are trying to bring all them into one fold, if you are rolling them into one role, then what would happen is the complainant, the investigator, the prosecutor, then the educator, all become one. If Lokpal is to manage the investigation, Lokpal is to...
The question is to Meenakshi Lekhi.
Now you have become a supporter of decentralization.
Keshav Rao. Mr. Keshav Rao,
Entire party is in one hand.
Simple, I don't want to complicate. Can I just ask you one question in counter to what you're saying, first explaining what you're trying to say. Now, by saying that the transfer of the CBI investigating officer should be with Lokpal, how are you saying that I want one person to be investigator, deciding the judge, and he should be the complainant? Where is it coming from? My question is very simple, twofold. One is, when a particular bill is the property of Rajya Sabha, can a cabinet change that? Answer is no, because it is the property of the parliament. Number two, by having the authority to transfer a particular officer with the permission of the Lokpal and or denial of that permission, how is it that the entire body, as you are saying, procedural to investigation to judicial, is with one person? How are the two? I mean, how are the two correlated? They are not correlated at all. On the contrary, I have a very simple question to you. Two questions. Answer me how a property of Rajya Sabha could be usurped by a cabinet, and how transferring authority is harming the authority of the government. Just answer me on these 2 points.
Lekhi, you asked 4 questions, not 2. All right. As far as Rajya Sabha is concerned, once we send it to a select committee, it goes back to the cabinet note. It is produced, tabled on the table. It is left to the Rajya Sabha whether to reject it or take it. And it might come as amendment from the government if they are taking the bill as such.
No, watch. Meenakshi Lekhi is partially correct. Mr. What's the technical point? Once the select committee hands over the report, your argument is what Ravi Shankar Prasad is saying, the government cannot make any amendment on the Lokpal bill, only the Rajya Sabha can make the changes. Now, my point to you is this, once the select... 1 minute, Meenakshi. Let's be accurate. Once the select committee hands over the report to the Rajya Sabha, the report goes to the respective ministry through the Department of Personnel and Training, so that the ministry can review the same before placing it in the next session of Parliament. So you are factually incorrect. So you are factually incorrect on that. Please proceed.
No, I'm not factually incorrect.
Yes, you are.
I'm not factually incorrect.
Not you, Meenakshi Lekhi.
Sorry, if there is a bill which is the property of Rajya Sabha, if there is a bill which is the property of Rajya Sabha, whatever cabinet or the ministry wants to do, it can cause amendment only in Rajya Sabha at that point in time.
Be clear.
Not before that. They can bring a new bill. This is exactly what I said.
Tell me.
And second point, again I'll go back.
Let us not go into the
I come back to the same.
angle.
How is the power of transfer?
Once again, you see, going into all that procedure, okay, it means the government is not ready to bring a Lokpal, and much desired people concerned that they want a Lokpal that will not come. And this Lokpal bill which is being proposed by the government, it's a teethless bill. And nothing. And I think by this way, they are trying to once again befool the people. And I think that will be the last chance of this government. They are not interested. They are not interested to check the corruption. They are using decentralization of power, one-man power. Arey Baba, we want to see that whether the famous saying of Tenzi Opping, whether cat is black or white, it doesn't matter. Whether it catches mouse or not, it is the main question.
Interesting.
Yeah, you know something I want to say.
Interesting. I have a question. I have a question. What T.N. Chaturvedi was Comptroller and Auditor General. Meenakshi Lekhi. Did he have an association with the BJP after that and get any role politically?
I don't recall. And in any case, I'm not on the past, I'm on the future.
He became a member of the Rajya Sabha.
I am on the future course.
No. I am talking about the past and the precedent, and I am testing the moral authority of the BJP to say this.
No. I'm sorry. Moral authority of the BJP is moral authority of the BJP is we are wanting to change the government. We are wanting to change the system we have been operating till now. That is the moral authority.
But you've also been part of that. You know what I've only proven. If a person will become CAG, member of parliament of a political party and a governor.
Certain procedures.
No. Today I accept.
Certain procedures are already in practice.
Meenakshi Lekhi.
Arnab, allow me to complete what I'm saying. If judges are being appointed in a certain way till now, when BJP comes into power, it will adopt the same method. If MPs are
so you're opposing the bill. 1 minute. So you're opposing the bill. So you're opposing the bill. So you're opposing the bill.
I'm not.
So the BJP is opposing the bill.
I am saying the changes.
Is the BJP opposing the bill? Are you willing to take this beyond the ambit of the news hour? And my direct question to you is, if you can answer that.
Absolutely.
Are you willing to oppose the bill in Parliament on these grounds? Will you withdraw support to the bill because this suggestion has not been accepted by the government?
When Deputy when deputy leader of opposition makes a statement in the capacity
Yeah.
of an official spokesperson of the party, one is very clear
2 minutes left.
that this is the
2 minutes left. Keshav Rao, 1 minute. Don't go. Don't take the mic away, Keshav Rao. Put the mic back. Last question to you. The BJP is saying on Newshour tonight, we'll oppose the bill if you bring it that way. Don't go away. I want a response to you on that. If you're politically cornered on that, what will you do?
I haven't.
If BJP is saying we'll oppose the bill in this form.
Well, when did they support anything which was justified? It's all
You
right.
need
It's a
this-
political stand that they would take. I'm not saying. But
Justified?
today there are three questions he
Justified?
asked.
First, you try to justify,
No,
Mr. Keshav Rao.
I'm justifying this. No, please. The first question is, you mistook me. When the question was asked, should the investigation department be handed over to the Lokpal, I said no. But when you said the
Debate is-
transfers issue, transfer is an administrative setup. You can't give any transfers and regular administrative jobs to a particular
Well,
Lokpal which is higher agency.
Well,
Third, now you are
Why
saying it has no
not?
teeth. You see, we
Why
are not
not?
looking to it is not a silver bullet. Like you must understand, Lokpal is not a silver bullet which will chase the people and come. We need more teeth. What exactly
Shazia,
is Lokpal looking
Shazia has the last
is-
word in. Shazia is saying something to you. Yes, Shazia.
I'll tell you.
Shazia is
I'll
responding.
tell you.
1 second, Meenakshi.
Lokpal,
what I
Shazia.
want to say is,
Lokpal
as it
is
is, we
looking at
Shazia, please. Shazia to Keshav Rao before I wrap
be
up.
converted
You know,
into
as it is,
Notepad.
we have a where anti-corruption system is concerned, we have an extremely confused system with CBI, CVC, vigilance departments, and anti-corruption bureaus all over states. Please don't convolute it further. We are smart enough to figure out what's happening. So please don't hoodwink us, because we know what we are asking for, and we can see through this game. This entire business of CVC, CBI still being under government control, and now putting a Lokpal there, passing the parcel. Please don't do it. We want a bill that addresses the need, which is to combat corruption.
I think the question, the ball is in the government's court.
Aam Aadmi corruption.
Independence of the
So
investigative
they have to address it, and they
officer
must
and
appeal
protection of
to
The ball is in the government's court. The ball is in the
It's the key
government's
to
court. And
investigation.
wrapping up by saying
That's
this.
right. The ball is in the government's court.
The ball is in the government's court, and the BJP has got to decide what position to take. The government can make changes even now, but will it want to, or will it take this to the brink? That's the debate. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for joining me on that debate.